I'm really fascinated by the concept of fear. Fear being the little voice in your head which tells you that you can't do something or that you shouldn't do something. Or even worse, fear being the voice that you don't even know is holding you back because it's that subconscious. It's sitting so on a subconscious level in your belief systems that you don't even know that the reason you're not doing something is because you're scared of doing it. And fear is something which we all experience. And this isn't, I'm not talking about fear of, getting hit by a car or something bad happening. I'm talking about the little bits of fear which are just pushing us away from the good, from the truth, from the love that's inside of us. When it comes to doing anything different, when it comes to moving out of your comfort zone, when it comes to pushing yourself in any way at all, fear is going to be the thing which is going to make you want to stay small, buzz your alarm on for an hour, not push yourself that little bit harder. And it's likely that it's showing up in more places than you even realize. So if you are wanting to do something, you've got a goal that you want to achieve at some point in your life, and it might be in the distant future. One day I'll do that, or eventually I'll do that. Why aren't you doing it now? What is it that's stopping you from doing it now? What is the fear that's coming up? And when you actually identify that there's fear coming up and you sit with it, you usually start to dismantle it and realize that actually it's probably something which is a construct. It's probably a projection and not actually something that really needs to be holding you back. But it takes sitting with it to feel it. And I think sitting with it to identify it, to feel it. And I think a lot of us don't want to do that. We don't really want to sit with our fears. We don't want to sit with the things that make us uncomfortable because they make us uncomfortable. But how can we move forward unless we just let ourselves really be clear on what it is that's holding us back? So I'm curious, is there anything that fear is holding you back from? Things which you've got goals that you want to achieve, or things that you want to do, or places that you want to go after Corona. What is it that might be stopping you from doing that? And is it something that's fear-based? And if it is, can you start to dig into that and find out if actually it's not real, it's something that you've made up? Gabby Bernstein says that fear is false evidence appearing real. And so much of the stuff that holds us back isn't even real. It's a complete projection and guess on something that we think is going to happen if we do something. So dig into that fear and dig into if it's actually real, if it's actually something which you need to be fearing, or if it's just a construct that's holding you back.